Welcome to the Mega Food Factory. As you can see behind me, this is our signature Yule log, entirely edible and over 10 meters long.
We need to isolate section 4.
Copy that, give them 60 seconds.
The yield looks consistent with the projection.
Yes, but the timing on sector 4 is still lagging. We need to adjust the combines accordingly.
Flow rate confirmed. Maintain current trajectory.
The temperature reading is steady at 3 degrees Celsius.
Noted. We have the sample for acidity now.
Pressure gauge is clear.
All right, bring it forward slowly. Watch the stack on the right there, easy down. Looks good, lock it in.
The elasticity is exceptional. We're seeing tensile strength exceeding 10 meters, indicating high quality protein.
There is a hairline fracture here, sector gamma.
Confirmed. Reroute to containment bay.
We're looking for that perfect ribbon stage. The batter should flow smoothly and hold its shape momentarily before dissolving back into the mass.
That's exceptionally rich. The balance is perfect. Ramping up to phase 2 speed now. Consistency looks good.
System check complete. Consistency holding steady at optimal parameters.
Okay, initiating discharge sequence in 3, 2, 1. Maintain flow rate at standard velocity.
We have full coverage at 12 meters, viscosity is good.
Confirm from this side, no separation.
Maintaining flow.
Distribution looks uniform.
Confirmed. We are clear for the oven.
Convection fans are adjusted. The rise profile is stable and within parameters.
Zone 6 damper adjusted. Left side heat stabilized. Moisture levels dropping as expected.
Right, damper adjusted. We've got consistent thickness across the full width now. Checking the adhesion now, looks stable. No signs of tearing on the underside.
Control, target humidity reached. The sugar veil is fully conditioned and stable. Proceeding with transfer.
Acknowledged. We have optimal flex on the sponge at 12 meters. Continuing the run.
Airflow adjusted. The cake is stable. Humidity levels are optimal.
QC confirms humidity balance.
Engineering approves scale alignment. Ready for rolling.
We introduce the cherry and sugar masses to the kettle. The slow churn begins to break the skins. Release.
Speed looks good on my side, steady descent.
Copy that. Preparing for separation now. Beautiful cut.
Pressure holding steady at 2 bar. Return flow looks good. We are clear for the next run.
Maintain the 45-degree angle on the comb. We need consistent depth across the entire run.
Snow caps aligned. Ganache texture approved. Final sign-off complete.
Core temperature holding steady at 4 degrees.
Noticing slight fluctuation on the eastern coil, adjusting now.
Seam integrity confirmed. The texture alignment is precise.
Running the access flap diagnostic. Cycle clear.
Maintain the pressure on the comb tool. The texture is consistent.
Noted. The seal looks structurally sound.
The striations look acceptable.
Moving to seal sequence.
Latch sequence engaged on my side.
Confirmed. Checking berry clearance now. Everything looks good.
We are approaching the deck. Maintain current vector.
Steady, steady. 3 meters to touchdown.
The dome is lifting clear. Monitor the sugar displacement on the western ridge now. Overall integrity is holding.
Maintain speed, we are through the center. Copy.
Clamps engaging now. West quadrant clear. Stability nominal.
Confirming integrity on the Holly Leaf. Check glaze on section 3.